Hey there, doubles. It's your old pal Double D here. Doubled2001. So, yeah, I got my... So today I'm going to be doing a candy review test. This is Warheads Chewy, cubes. This is, I have tried the Warheads, hard candy, but I never tried these, and this is my first time. As you can see here, this is the, back of it. It's, sugars is 18 grams, protein 0 grams, total fat no grams, and calories 120. And it's strawberry and green apple. See, look, this is strawberry and green apple. And, so yeah, we're gonna be trying them. And the guy with the warheads has a Santa hat. This is what it looks like. Let's try the green apples. I'm gonna try the green apples. That tastes really good. But it's not that sour. Like those hard candy ones, where they burst in your mouth and they're going really wild. It's not wild. Let me try the strawberry one. It's really good. I got this at a Christmas party. I got this at my mom's Christmas party. I went to my mom's job's Christmas party and I won this. And never had this before. I had the other Warheads hard candy, but I never had chewy cubes. But they don't really taste soury like the hard candy. They don't really taste soury as the hard candy. They're not like really sour where they burst your mouth. Kind of just tastes like other candy. But anyways, that was it. I'll be doing more candy reviews and vlogs. This is what the box looks like. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go now. I hope you have a great night and subscribe to my channel. Keep subscribing and keep it double. Peace out, bros.